can see I got it in. Now what you want to do is just hit it down a little more. Don't hit it too much so that when it comes down here, you see how it's the other way? You want to turn it with your hand so it can cut, so it turns the crankshaft. So I can cover the crankshaft like that, so it claws the crankshaft. So now, put the crankshaft back in. I'm going to install the crankshaft and make sure this part with the gear stays out, so like this. And put it in. And this piston's gonna have to get rotated. Let's go, go, go. I'm gonna have to push it up a bit, just make sure the rings don't come out. So you're just gonna have to just a bit, don't want it too much. And there you go. Now you just have to rotate the crankshaft, get a pair of vice grips, wherever mine are. And make sure on the end, just make sure you're holding up here. Now just get a hammer and hit it down till the rings just came out. And now down here, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll try to make so you can see. Alright, now you just want to push down and then turn the crankshaft at like right down here, so it's down here and this top part is up, and just hit it down. And there you guys go. Now we have to put the cap. Here's the cap with the 2/4 inch bolts. Just you also want to make sure you have red Loctite. This is a must. So now you just have to put the engine like that. Hope you guys can see. And yeah, you guys can see really good now. Just cap it up like that, and put the screw in. You should just actually, first of all, put some Loctite on. Red Loctite will be the best. Doesn't matter what kind of red, just if it's a gel or anything, doesn't matter, just make sure it's Loctite. Don't get something that's called something, but just get Loctite brand of Loctite. And now just turn it in with your hand too much, because then you're not going to be able to get the other part in. So let me just zoom you guys out. Now I have to turn it out a bit. Alright guys, so now what we can do is we can put these valves up here in, and then we can continue. We can put the valves in, and then we can throw the camshaft in. You're going to want to tip your engine on its side like this, or else the valves won't go in, unless you get crazy glue or something. And now I get the camshaft, this guy, and now this is the timing part. What you want to do, because if you don't, your engine's not going to fire properly, and it's just going to be a useless piece of junk. And now you can see this little indent right here You can see that right there. You want to line that up with this little hole right. You can see the hole right here. It's right there. You want to line those two up so your engine can fire at what it's supposed to. Align the hole down there, get it in, and you're done. Now you can put in the cap and you can continue doing what you're doing. Now you just put this in, and this pinhole, that pin, it's gonna drop right into here. You see? So I'm gonna probably just clean up some of this grass and get back to you guys. Now we can get this on. You want to make sure your gasket down here is intact, and if it's going on pretty hard, just a good old dead blow will do that. Now see here, it won't close properly. That's no problem, because when you tighten it with the screws, it's gonna just press it in. And that's what we have to do now, is find all these screws and put them back in. And see if they'll work. So I'm just gonna go back to this impact and just tighten these. So you wanna make sure you're running the threads in so you don't, that it's going in straight so you don't strip them, because that's just gonna make your day worse.